At Moy's Gardens, we reuse before recycling. This summer, I loved this idea, turning a plastic bottle into a planter. Simple and creative. Step 1. Gather your materials. First, collect everything you need: a knife, a plastic bottle, muslin cloth, a rubber band, some dirt, and a small plant. Step 2. Mark and cut the bottle. Mark the bottle about halfway, no need to be exact. Then, cut along the mark and remove the cap. Step 3. Prepare the bottle's mouth. Cover the bottle's mouth with muslin cloth and secure it tightly with a rubber band. Step 4. Add dirt and the plant. Fill the top half of the bottle halfway with dirt. Place your small plant on top, then fill the edges with more dirt, leaving about an inch of space at the top. Step 5. Assemble the planter. Finally, fit the top half of the bottle into the bottom half, and your upcycled plastic bottle planter is ready.
Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel for more videos for more ideas.